Hi guys, so welcome to the video on writing terms in index form. We have a number of questions here. Some of them don't ask us to write things in index form, but generally speaking they all have to deal with the same issues. So let's look at our first question. Question 1. Evaluate. And now guys, the word evaluate could mean a whole number of things. Technically speaking, evaluate is much the same, or usually much the same as simplify. So when I'm answering this question, what I do is I look at 49 to the power of half, and the way that I could simplify that, or write it in a different way, is I could use that half power and change it to a square root. Now a square root could be written like that, or it could be written with a little 2 at the top. There's no difference there. Now the square root of 49, well that's 7. So that's our simple answer. And if you put that into your calculator, that'll also work. For question B, when we have the 27 to the power of 1 over 3, remember that the power of 1 over 3 is the same as a cubed root, so that becomes the cubed root of 27, and we all know 3 to the power of 3 is 27, so the cubed root of 27 is 3. Alright, so there's the first question done. Moving on now to question number 2. Right, the square root of 3x minus 2 in index form. Okay, so you can see that we've got a square root symbol there, so we can write that as 3x minus 2 all to the power of a half. And the only thing you need to be careful of is the fact that everything that's underneath that square root sign is to the power of a half, and that's why we left the brackets in. Okay, our final question. Right, a to the power of 1/7 without fractional indices. So it is still in index form, however you don't want to have the fractional indice. And the way that we solve this problem is we go a plus b, and you can load the brackets in, and that's going to be under a root symbol. Now it's not the second root, it's not the square root, it's not a third root, it's not a cubed root, it's the 7th root. And that's it.